Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use NVIDIA's new AI tool to turn ordinary photos into the realistic scenes step by step. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for NVIDIA AI tool. Now when you search for it, simply click on the first link that you see among the given links. And this way you will be landed here on this artificial intelligence page of NVIDIA. Over here on this page, you can just scroll down and it is going to give you the overview of the agentic AI. So you can take a look at it, what it actually is. Now here, click on the option of get started. Then it is going to redirect you here on the explore page of NVIDIA. Over here, you can explore the featured models and some of the other customized blueprint related information. So here you can either click on the option of get started, or you can also search for the generative AI here in the search bar. You can also click on the second link that you see in the list, and then you will be landed here on this page as well, where you can build the designs with the help of the NVIDIA. But here you just have to purchase the subscription for it. So when you click on the option of shop all, you will be landed here on this page where you just have to look for the option of generative AI. Now here click on the option of experience the power of generative AI. Now it is going to show you all of the Adobe After Effects. Basically, they have integrated this feature with Adobe products. So if you are already using Adobe After Effects or Adobe Illustrator, you just have to basically launch the application on your device. Afterwards, when you give it a prompt, it is going to generate a hyper realistic scene or image in your Photoshop, in your Lightroom, or in your Adobe Illustrator. It's just like that we use ChatGPT. So you just have to give it a prompt and hit the generate, and it will generate the image for you, which you can basically use in your projects. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.